We really appreciate Emerson. This was our first major gift toward the Center for Advanced Manufacturing. The fact that Emerson, who we've trained for all these years in Lebanon, is showing faith in what we're doing here in Springfield.
The commitment to OTC from Emerson for $500,000 for the Center for Advanced Manufacturing is right in our wheelhouse. And we recognize the importance of the next generation technology, automation, electromechanical engineering, all of that with how we manufacture products in our facilities. And we have to have the type of skill to make our plants successful.
Right now, there's a lot of jobs in the skilled labor, then there's not a lot of people there to fill it. And this, I think, gives opportunity to people to be able to get into that field and have more advanced learning as far as technology goes.
The Emerson Innovation Discovery Lab is really going to be one of the highlights of the tour of the Center for Advanced Manufacturing. It's really going to be the first stop with our students and the workforce of tomorrow. They come in, they get to come upstairs and see lots of cool, innovative new technology and really see what advanced manufacturing is all about.
And we just really appreciate Emerson and the work they do, and I think it's important for our community to know what a huge economic impact all those jobs that they have from Ava to Lebanon and all around Southwest Missouri. They're a major player in the economic impact of this community.